Alright, Barretta 92FS field strip. First thing we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and remove the magazine. You're going to press this button right here, mag release, pull it out. You're going to want to cycle the firearm to make sure that there's no cartridges present. Take a look down the mag well, good to go. Look into the barrel. You should be able to see right down all the way through. Can't really in the video, but it is clear. No cartridges present, firearm's clear. You're going to press the slide lock, slide release right here, pull it back, no problem. Now, what you're going to want to do is, on the upper side, there is a button right here. You are going to press this button, and then you are going to, at the same time, pull this lever down that you see right here, this way, and it should flip around clockwise. So press that, press this down, put your finger on top of the barrel, because the slide's going to go forward, and just click forward on you, and now you can just actually pull it apart. Very, very simple. Now, the frame, pistol frame, lower, it's all separate parts, trigger group, that sort of thing, but not really anything else we need to do with that right now. Cleaning, otherwise, outside the scope of this video. So here's the slide. It's all basically one piece. There are a few more components. So just like the other video I did, it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is remove the tension on this spring. Now this is under tension, so if you press this and just let it go, it's going to go flying. I've had that happen a few times. So you're going to take your finger on this plunger here, probably your thumb, and a finger to hold the spring as well, just in case it slips on you. And you're going to basically just depress the plunger and push it upwards from the lug or the block here on this barrel. So you're just going to depress, and it's going to decompress. You're going to pull the spring rod and the spring itself and remove it. Now there's two main components left. There's the barrel and the slide. So to remove the slide, you're going to see this little nub right here. You're going to depress this all the way in. You'll see this piece come up. And you can just keep pushing, and it'll push the barrel up and out of these tracks it resides in. Now you can just pull the barrel up, and there's your slide. You can clean it as needed. The firing pin is housed inside of here. That is outside the scope of this video to remove the firing pin. The barrel comes apart, and then you also have this, I don't even know what you want to call this, but basically this barrel component here. You're going to want to lubricate, clean as necessary. Reassembly, pretty easy. You got two holes. You're going to go into the big one with the barrel. You're going to know that because the other one's not going to fit. You're just going to drop it in, and you want to pull this barrel back as far as it goes, and you want to line these two, I don't even know what you want to call them, like fins, into the slots where you can see the fins right here. Press this in, and then you're going to kind of just go at it until it kind of falls into place, and you'll see that those fins will fall into the cutouts in the slide for the barrel. Everything should fit snugly, nothing should be hanging down, and your barrel's back in place. Now you're going to put the recoil spring. If you've removed the plunger, you're going to put the plunger back into the recoil spring, or guide, spring guide, and you're going to take the spring, you're going to place it into the hole here, the smaller one that matches the size of the spring. You're going to line it up and just depress. Again, put your thumb on so if you lose it, it doesn't go flying. And it's going to fall into place as you're putting pressure into the barrel. This plunger piece is going to go into the lug on the bottom of the barrel like so. And then you should be able to just leave it, and there you go. Now you're going to want to reinstall the slide with all of its components back onto the lower, the pistol lower. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull the hammer back, make it easier on you. You don't have to, but that's what I would recommend. You're going to line up the mating, if you can see that, the slide is going to mate on these rails right here. And we have the same ones on here. And so basically what we're going to do is take the lower and the slide, and you're just going to match You see these little rails in here with these here, and you're just going to match them and slide them together. No problemo. Okay, you start pulling it back onto the lower, and just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You might get a little bit of resistance. And then what you're going to do is you are going to pull the slide all the way back and push the slide lock. Once you pull it all the way back, you're going to push the slide lock up, and you're going to have the slide locked open. You're going to push counterclockwise on this switch, or this little turn button. That'll lock the half moon shaped locking piece onto the slide, and your slide can be released with the slide lock. And there you go, your firearm is back together. So I'm just going to test the functionality here. No problem. Awesome. So there we go, that's the 92FS field strip. Very simple, very easy. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.